Good morning. Hey, this is Drew from the Everything's Broke Garage. I made a video the other day of how to hook your generator to your house the cheap and easy way. Well, one thing I forgot to tell you, and I'm sure everybody already knows this, but when you do that, keep an eye out the window for your neighbor's house or whatever, or street lights. When you see them come on, now you know the electric's back, available from the pole. First thing you want to do is shut that generator off. Unplug it from the wall. Now everything's safe. Go to your fuse box. Main fuse up. Click on. Or like that thing with the handle. Whatever you're using to shut your power off from the pole, now you need to turn it back on. And then the electricity will flow from the pole into your house and do everything that your generator was doing. So just want to make sure that you all know this, and remember, this is not the way you're supposed to do this. Okay, I'm doing it this way for me, and it's such an easy way, and if you do it correctly, you'll be fine. But you know, just be careful, and I'm not really telling you this is the way to do it, but if you want to, you can. So, hey guys, thank you. Click like, subscribe if you can. Be nice. That way I can do more of these videos. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.